recently had the pleasure of going on an island hopping tour in Langkawi, and it was an absolutely amazing experience. The tour took us to some of the most beautiful and tranquil islands around Langkawi, each with its own unique charm. Easy to redeem. One of the must-do activity here in Langkawi. Fast and easy to redeem. The meeting place is at the entrance of the pier. It doesn't say day, so don't stupidly walk to the end. There is a Klook check-in counter. The sightseeing tour by boat was very enjoyable. Lunch was a simple pilaf. The itinerary is compact but not too rushed. Along the way, you can see the Pregnant Woman Island and go to 2 small islands to play in the water. With the good weather, the whole itinerary is very good. Children like to sprint at high speed on a speedboat, and even played on the water jet on the island, which is very fun. We truly enjoyed this trip. Beautiful sea and the mountains background. And the boat experience thrilled the kids most. We did a donut ride at the last stop Shimi Island and it is so much fun too. We'll surely book this again if come to Langkawi.